Use merge field feature to build personalized messages for mass send out. With a special tag, insert recipient or sender specific data so that every email would seem like an individual reach out. In Revenue Engage, merge field option is available in text editors when creating your personalized signature, when creating a template message, and when adding a new step in a sequence. In Action, when typing a message, in order to insert a merge field, type double braces and choose value from the dropdown. Alternatively, put a cursor where you want a tag to appear and click merge field icon on the bar. Let's choose first name for the greeting, phone number for my question, and signature on the bottom. So generic text would look like this. When I preview it by clicking here and choosing, let's say, Michael, just to eyeball how he will see it, the message will include personal information. Data gets pulled from Salesforce. The second merge field is red because Michael's phone number field is blank in Salesforce. In order to fix that, you can fill the missing field directly in Salesforce. When you have a long list of recipients, of course you cannot preview all of them to validate the fields. And you don't have to, because Revenue Engage will not send an email with a missing merge field values. Instead, a merge field issue type of a to-do item will appear on the engagement planner according to steps schedule. And it will keep hanging on to-do tab until you solve it manually and choose further actions. There are plenty of possible merge field values enough to build a sophisticated message for a perfect pitch.